Docker Datacenter on FlexPod for container management. Key use cases for this solution include cloud, microservices, and development operations. To truly realize the promise of containers, administrators must contend with traditional data center challenges. Ordinary server provisioning requires administrators to execute several tasks to complete integration of a single node. At scale, this is a cumbersome and inefficient process impacting organizational agility and time to value. FlexPod Datacenter with Docker Datacenter is the solution. Consisting of Cisco's Unified Computing System and Nexus 9000 switches, NetApp's all-flash storage and Docker Volume plugin, and Docker Datacenter for container management and deployment services, FlexPod Datacenter with Docker Datacenter delivers a robust, agile, and scalable enterprise-ready infrastructure. Cisco's Unified Computing Systems policy-based management abstracts all configurations and identity information into service profiles, accelerating deployments, reducing errors, and lowering costs. This policy-based management architecture enables organizations to provision the Docker Universal Control Plane controllers, Docker Trusted Registries and Docker nodes with ease. The Cisco Unified Computing Systems programmable infrastructure unleashes containers using service profiles and templates, in addition to traffic segmentation, prioritization and optimization techniques. This policy-driven model addresses the challenges traditional server architectures cannot by accelerating deployments, simplifying operations, and maintaining consistency at any scale through policy. NetApp Docker Volume plugin provides direct integration with Docker ecosystem for NetApp's ONTAP, E-Series and SolidFire storage platforms, and EVP is a service on Docker hosts to provision Docker volumes, and EVP supports both file and block-based storage. FlexPod Datacenter with Docker Datacenter solution provides best practices for the NetApp storage layout to support containers, as illustrated. The cluster data ONTAP configuration defines a base infrastructure storage virtual machine, or SVM, supporting fiber channel bootloads and NFS services. SVM support multi-tenancy as isolated entities, aware only of the resources assigned to it. Each SVM can be managed independently, and is capable of supporting multiple data protocols concurrently. Docker is a containerization platform developed to simplify and standardize deployment in various environments. Docker containers encapsulate all application components, such as dependencies and services. Encapsulation allows all applications to become portable between development, test, and production environments. Docker Datacenter includes enterprise container orchestration, application management, and security. Now that we have reviewed the components, let's see the FlexPod with Docker Datacenter in action. In this demonstration we will showcase persistent Docker volumes. To do so we will take the following actions. Create a clone of a volume using the NetApp Docker Volume plugin. Create a service mapping the new cloned volume. Confirm the volume is accessible. Edit the volume by adding a file. Fail the node running the active service. Verify the volume is available by an alternate host. For this demonstration, we will use a FlexPod Datacenter consisting of 9 B200 LAID servers. As illustrated, each of these servers has an assigned Docker role. Log into the Docker Universal Control Plane, or UCP. The UCP dashboard allows administrators to monitor and configure Docker nodes, services, and container resources of the cluster. The UCS Docker nodes are running and healthy. The NetApp NDVP driver enables and presents multiple mount points to the Docker nodes. After reviewing our FlexPod Datacenter with Docker Datacenter, let's see it in action. Through a CLI, we create a clone of a volume using NDVP. We create a service mapped to a specific TCP port. The process is up and running as defined on Node 1. To confirm access, we open a web browser and view the current files located in the volume. We can also edit the storage volume by adding a file. The addition of the new file is confirmed through the same web service. We will now reboot Node 1. Node 1 is where we were directly accessing this Docker service. Node 1 and its services are unavailable. Our FlexPod Docker cluster consists of multiple nodes to support enterprise HA requirements. The service is also available on Node 4, verifying that uniform volume access to all UCS Docker nodes in the cluster is achievable with NDVP. To summarize, the FlexPod Datacenter with Docker Datacenter for containers is an agile, scalable, stable and programmable infrastructure for enterprise and cloud-native application development and deployment. Thank you.